Now we will try to make this. Okay. So we will start with Shriyan. Shriyan, unmute. Shriyan, can you tell me the numbers that you see on domino? This is domino. Okay. This is this arrangement, this rectangle. This is known as domino. So what do you what are the things that you can see?
1 plus
One.
3.
So now what I will do, everybody follow. All right. I am going to have 1 from the blue color sticker and 3 I'm going to have from the yellow sticker. Now on the 10 frame, can you tell me 1 and 3 is equal to what?
4.
Yes, good job. Next, who wants to go next?
Me.
Okay, me, Kian. All right. Atharv, you have to unmute yourself, okay? Unmute karo. We can't see you also. Yes. So Kian, it's your turn. Kian, let's see what number we get. Okay, so on the domino, what are the numbers you can see, Kian?
2 plus 2.
Okay, so we'll have 2 of the blues and 2 of the yellows. 2 and 2 makes a
4.
very easy. Next is Samaira, your turn. Okay. Samaira, now this looks like quite a big number. So what are the numbers that you can see, Samaira?
2 and 8.
Okay, so I will have 2 blues and the remaining I'm going to have 8. Can you tell me what is 2 and 8 together? 2 and 8 makes which number? Okay, if you don't know, which number is bigger, 2 or 8 is bigger? Which number is bigger?
8.
Okay, so now keep 8 in your mind and you have to start counting after 8 until 2 places, right?
Yeah.
So 8 and 2 makes? 8, keep 8 in mind. What comes after 8?
9.
But we have to count till 2 numbers, right? Take 2 fingers out. Now start counting. 9.
9, 10.
So 8 and 2 is?
10.
Okay, so now Samaira, eyes on the screen, okay? I have to make 8. So I will be using the yellow dots. See how I am putting it. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know this is 5.
Yes.
And now if I fill the 3 spaces, 5 and 3 is 8. Yes? Yes. Now you have 2 blues and 8 yellows. And the entire grid on the 10 frame is filled with the dots. So which number is it?
10.
Okay, good job. Next, Kavya, your turn. Very simple, Kavya, this is. Shall we give it to someone else?
Me.
Okay, Kavya, because this is simple, okay, I want to give you a little challenging question. Okay, Atharva. What are the numbers you see here on the domino?
5 and 2.
So 5 and 2 makes which number?
7.
Can we try doing it here?
Yes, sir. What?
Can we make it on the 10 frame?
Okay.
So we will have 5 blues. Now you tell me once I am done making 5, you will say stop. Have I made 5, Athar?
Yes.
Now I have to make 2. So I will use another color, yellow. You have to tell me stop.
Why did you up the bus? Yes, it will be.
Should I?
Yes.
Now 5 and 2 is 7. Is this number 7 on 10 frame? Yes. Okay, Athar. Next is Kavya's turn. Kavya. Kavya, what are the 2 numbers you see here on the domino?
3 and 6.
3 and 6 makes?
9.
Very good. Now, shall we make it here? So we will always start with the bigger number. 6 and 3 may, which is the bigger number?
6.
So I will be making 6 with yellow dots. You tell me stop once I have completed making 6, okay? Should I stop now?
No.
Should I stop now?
Yes.
Okay. And now I have to make 3 with the blue dots. You have to tell me stop, okay? Perfect. Does this number look like 9 to you, children? Tushnaz, is it number 9? Well done, Kavya. Because we have 5 upar and 4 niche. Only one spot is empty. Yes, Tushnaz. Only one spot is empty. This is number 9. Now, last chance is Tushnaz. Your turn. Okay, Tushnaz, can you tell me what is this number?
1 and 5.
1 and 5 makes? Okay, Tushnaz, look here. 1 and 5 may, which is a bigger number?
5.
So, have I made 5?
Yes.
Okay, now, which number have I made? I have made 5 yellow and 1 blue.
6.
6, perfect. So 1 and 5 is 6. All right. Now we will be doing place value. Okay, we will be doing place value. I have to see if everybody is here. Yes, perfect. Now, this is 2 tens. Now, can you tell me what is 2 tens? Which number is 2 tens? When I have 2 bundles of 10, 2 10 is what?
10. Yeah.
Okay.
So
I will, yes, 2 10 is 20. Let's do it with this. Now, can you see me?
10.
20, 30 ते वाला.
This is Samira. I want someone, like people go on mute. Okay. Now, Samira. Now, this is known as a 10 rod. Okay? This is another 10 rod. How many 10 rods do you see?
2.
So 2 tens. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is this number? 2 tens ka value kya rahega? This is 10. This is also 10. 10 and 10 is?
20.
Fantastic. Now, next, Atharv. Do you want to go next?
Yeah.
Okay. Atharv, I have 4 tens with me. Okay. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4. These are 4 tens rod. Can you tell me the value of 4, Atharv? The
40.
rod. Who is this? Who said 40? Me is?
Okay.
Very good. It's actually 40. So we have 10. This is 10, 10, 10. 4 times 10 is 40. So 4 tens is 40. Next, Shriyan, your turn. Shriyan, your turn. Shriyan, I will be giving you a different question. All right. And you will have to make it. I am writing something for you.
3 tens and 4 ones.
Can you tell me which number is this?
3 tens and 4 ones is 34.
Fantastic. Very good. Now, everybody see, I am making the number. These are 3 tens and this is 4 ones. 34. Next, Kavya, your turn. Kavya.
Yes.
Now, listen, I want everyone to pay attention to the question that I'm giving right now. Okay? Now Kavya. Kavya, first step is you have to tell me the value of this. Okay?
2 tens and 3 ones are 23.
Very good. And then I'm going to bring down the plus. And 4 tens and 1 ones is?
41.
Okay. Now you have to give me the final answer. How much is 23 and 41 together? Now, before you give me the answer, I want you to solve this with me. Now, I am making a 23. Everybody see? I am making a 23. Is this a 23, Samaira?
Yes. Yes.
Is this okay? Now I am making a 41. Okay. Now inside the circle, you will have to tell me if it is a 41. Athar,
Yes.
have I made a 41 here in the green circle? Is it a 41? See how many tens I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. What is 4 tens?
64.
41. Kavya. Now can you tell me the final answer?
64.
64. How did you do this?
I first counted the tens and there are 6 tens. And then I counted the ones. There was 3 and 1. So I knew it was 4. So
Very
then
good.
I added them together and made 64.
Very good. So this is the next step that we will have to be working at home. Okay. Now, Kian, your turn. Kian. Kian, just put your camera down. I can't see your face. Kian, similar question. Try to tell me the answer. You have to tell me what I have written.
Hi.
Okay. Read, Kian.
4 tens, 8 ones plus 5 tens.
Now, can you tell me the answer, Kian? Does it look difficult? Does it look difficult, Kian?
How come 17? 4 tens and 8 ones is?
First, you tell me the value of this. Okay? 4 tens and 8 ones is which number?
48.
Very good. And 5 tens is which number?
50.
Okay. And now we have to add. Okay. So before we start learning the column method of adding it like this, we will do it virtually, like, with the help of these visual tools. I will be making 48. So I have 40 and then I have the 8. Kian, you can even tell me the answer if you see it in the middle now. And now I have to make a 50. So I will have 5 tens. Everybody is getting this? Now, Kian, in total, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? Which number it is? Kian?
98.
98. कैसे किया आपने?
बोलो कैसे किया?
9. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8.
4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 plus 5, यहाँ पे 4 tens है और ये 5 tens है. तो कितने हो गए?
5.
9 tens. I'm using the red pen. 9 tens हो गए. And how many ones are there?
8.
So it becomes 8 ones. And what is this number? 98. Okay. ठीक है. So इसमें ऐसा हुआ कि अगर आपका number bond, everybody, clear, listen. This is the reason why we did the number bonds from 1 to 10. because you can add anything after this. If you see 4 tens and 3 ones, 3 tens, I want, who has not got a chance? Tushnas. Tushnas, I have 4 tens and 3 tens. What is 4 and 3 together?
43.
No, 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 no. Now see, they saw 4 children and mothers. Kids have seen this as 4 tens. Okay.
And 3.
Okay. So when we say that we have 4 tens and 3 ones, then the number is 43. But here you have to read your questions carefully. Yahan par it is written 4 tens and 3 tens. So I have only one tool, that is the tens. So see, I have made 4 tens here, Tushnas, and now I'm making another 10 here. Are they same?
Yes.
Yes.
How many tens do you see in total? What is 4 and 3? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 tens. Who will tell me the value of 7 tens? 7 tens is which number? Everybody, quickly.
70.
Very good. 7 10 is 70. So this is again the next thing that you have to keep on practicing at home. Okay. Now I want to check someone here who I think may have not understood. So first, Samaira and Atharv, are you guys ready? Atharv and Samaira?
Yes.
Okay, so both of you are going to answer together. You have to read the question. Okay. What have I written, Atharv?
2 and 10.
And which number is this?
5.
5 tens. 5 tens is equal to what number?
15.
50. Next is Samaira's turn. Samaira.
Yeah.
What have I written here?
3.
3 tens. 3 tens is which number, Samaira?
33.
No, 3 tens is 30. 3 tens means I have 3 rods. 10, 20, 30. Correct? Can you see this? This is 30. Now, can you tell me what would be 5 tens and 3 tens together? Atharv and Samaira, you have to work together here. It's teamwork. Now see, the question said 5 tens. I have made 5 tens. Now we had 3 more tens. In total, how many 10 ka rod you see? Samaira and Atharv, how many rods do you see?
I see
5 and 3 makes?
5 and 3 makes 8.
And what do we call this?
8.
Tens. 8 tens. And what number is 8 tens? Which number is 8 tens? Come on. If 5 10 is 50, then 8 10 is what, Samaira, Atharv? Hurry up. We're running out of time. 8 tens is? Come on. Kavya, answer. 8 10 is?
80.
80. Okay. Now we will move on to equation, and in 5 minutes our class is going to get over. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this question together. I will be making something for you. Everybody, see, I am making this in the form of an array. Okay. So in your Olympiad exam, you have to calculate very fast. Who can tell me the number of flowers? Yes, Kian, tell me. कितने flowers दिख रहे हैं आपको?
15.
How did you do, Kian? For 15 कैसे दिखा आपको?
5 plus 5 is 10 and then 5.
Very good. Now, what have I done? ठीक है? Now, this is the question. How many flowers are left? How? Shriyan?
9.
Shriyan ने बोला 10. Kavya said 9.
10.
Shriyan?
10. I said 10.
Okay,
I
fantastic.
said 10.
Okay, Kavya, sorry, my bad. How
9.
did you do it so nicely? Kian, आपका आंसर क्या है?
9.
Okay. So, Kian, okay, next is who has not answered? Samaira, आपका camera off है. Atharv? Okay. Now you have to tell me which answer is correct. ठीक है? Think. It's not easy at all. Okay.
बताना है इसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है.
Sorry.
कैसे बनेगा वो बताना है, प्लस होके या माइनस. पहला वाला क्या है बता.
A, B, C. ठीक है? Now, first option is 10 ones plus 5 ones. Ones. What is the value of 10 ones, Kavya?
Value of 10 ones.
Yes.
10 ones are 10.
Very good. And 5 ones?
5 ones are 5.
So what is 10 and 5 together?
15.
Okay. We have to write the equation for this question. So Kian, आपको क्या लग रहा है, इसमें एडिशन हो रहा है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है? इस फिगर में we had 15 flowers and now we are taking away 5 flowers. So is it subtraction or addition? B and C are correct. Shriyan ने ये बोला, right? So my option number D is both B and C. So now we will have to read these equations, and this is very important. This is very important. Okay, this is very, very important. Now, 15 ones is 15 and 5 ones would be 5. What is 15 minus 5? So from 15, we take away 5. We are left with 10. Next, let's do this one. Which number is 1, 10 and 5 ones? Tell me, 1, 10. You have 1, 10 and 5 ones. Which number it is, Athar? You have 1, 10. You have 1, 10 and then you have 5 ones. So you have 1 10 rupee note and then I give you a 5 rupee coin. How much do you have in total, Athar? 10 rupee note and a 5 rupee coin. 10 and 5 is? Athar, we are waiting for you. You have a 10 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin. And you have to go to Jyoti Bakery. How much money do you have with you? 10 and 5. Are you listening? 10 and 5 is which number? Neve, do you want to try this? 10 and 5.
15.
10 and 5 is 15. So 1 10 and 5 ones is 15, and you have to remove 5 ones from it. 2 minutes. 5 ones. So if you take away 5 ones from 15, you have 10. So both the option B and C is correct. Both the option B and C is correct. Yes. Okay. Just a second, huh? All right. So here the option is going to be both B and C. Okay. So now we will do one more question, and I am going to make something else. I'm going to make butterfly. Okay. Which doesn't look like a butterfly. I'm so sorry. Now it looks like a butterfly. Hello. Okay. So now you tell me the equation for this. Okay. I'm giving a lot of options. And everybody will be going on. Children, unmute yourself. Everybody unmute, and I want to know the answer, and I will see who answers it the fastest. As it who's the first one to answer. Unmute, children. Everybody unmute.
तो छोड़ दो उसको.
Okay. Now you have to tell me A, B, C, D में correct answer क्या है?
And 6, 10.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Itu kitla siya? 3, 4, 5, 6.
10. 96.
Write it in your chat box.
D.
Everybody type it in your chat box. So I will be sure that Kian has given the right answer. Okay?
बता दो.
Which is the answer?
And 10.
तो इसमें से कौन सा है? हाँ,
1.
क्या?
9.
among eight.
9, 10.
9.
See, you don't even need to do any addition. अगर आपको 9 plus 6 नहीं भी आता है, but still you can tell me the correct.
Yes, hello, तुमने.
Okay. And type your chat.
Mute.
Okay.
Mute and type your answer. I can't see anyone's answer written here. Chat box, type your answer. A, B, C, D. Which one do you think is correct?
What do you think?
I think A.
You think A?
Let them write whatever they want to, because then I'm going to tell them the error.
Right. Write A over here. Type A. Can you press enter? Here is enter. Yeah.
Okay. Tushna, Neve, I'm waiting for you. Samaira, I'm waiting for you. Type your answer. A, B, C, D.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And after this, we will be doing array questions so that you will know that how can we teach the child to add these without saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and they can be quick. They can add it very fast. Okay? So Kavya has to remind me that I have to play a game on array. Okay, Kavya? Yes. Okay. So now everyone has given me the answer, and all of you are right. Tushna's answer is not A, and I'll tell you why. Now we see that we have 9 butterflies here and 6 butterflies here. Now we have to read. This is 9 and this is 6. So the first option says 9 tens. Okay, so it becomes 90. 90 is not the answer at all. Next, again we have 9 tens and 6 tens. So the concept of tens and ones is so crucial. 9 tens is 90 and 6 tens is 60. So as like, you know, if you're teaching them, we would be like, अरे बच्चे को तो 9 और 6 का addition नहीं पता है. But यहाँ पर they don't need to add 9 and 6. They can just read and tell that they just have to write 9 ones and 6 ones. Okay? Got it? Any query? Any problem? Kian, Kavya, well done. Shriyan, well done. Neve, well done. Samaira, well done. Okay. Now we will be moving on to this game that I was talking about, which is known as just a second. See, here you see there are two types of arrays. We will be going with simple arrays today. How do we count? Okay. How are we going to count? What I'm trying to talk here is little high level, but you just listen to it. I will not expect you to do this. So counting में, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, Samaira, भैया को बोलो आंसर बताएंगे जल्दी से. भैया, you have to sit here. See, this is very important, okay, Reyansh? You have to tell everybody how are you solving this. How will you solve this?
Avni,
I'm giving you a hint. Yes.
Neve is getting confused with this picture and the tens block. He thinks this is a tens ka the rod.
Okay, between
Okay,
this
so
and
they,
okay,
yeah,
I will.
so he's been counting 10, 20.
Acha. Neve, can you see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks? They are not even joined together. There is a little space. So we will take it as ones. वो जो छोटे मेरे ones होते हैं ना, I'll show you. See, these are the ones, Neve. और इनके बीच में ये देखो गैप है ऐसे, राइट नीव? ये देखो ये गैप ऐसे लगाया मैंने और एक ये लगा दिया. अब आप बताओ नीव, इसमें वंस तो ये है और ये टेंस है. There is a gap in between, so we will take it as individual square. उसको हम ones बोलेंगे. Coming back to this picture, ये question. अब आपको दिख रहा है वो separated है. Okay, so yes, Reyansh, you want to try? Yes.
Ma'am, we will first count the rows and columns
Correct, and then
multiply.
perfect. So this is actually a concept of multiplication, but starts very early, and I'm not expecting any of the 5-year-olds and 6-year-olds to tell me multiplication. So Reyansh, don't run away. Give me the final answer. How many squares do you? Reyansh, sorry. How much? 30. Okay. So this is one way to do, which is definitely children, you will be taught in higher classes. But अभी जब हम इतने छोटे हैं, तो हम इसको कैसे solve करेंगे? Look, from top to bottom, how many? I'll just take a screenshot because I have to explain this to you. Oh my God, sorry. Can you see my screen? No. Share. Yes, you can't see my screen. Just a second. Okay. Can you see my screen now? I'll take a screenshot and now I'll be working on this. So how to count the arrays? This was our question. Yes? Now, everybody, are you following? If I count from here, see this blue arrow, how many red cubes do you see? Neve, मेरे साथ count करेंगे नीचे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So ये भी 5 होगा because ये एकदम correctly arranged है ना, one after the other, structured है ना ये. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये भी अच्छे से 5 है, ये भी 5 है. So now what I will do is this becomes a 10 frame, if you can imagine. काव्या, क्या आपको ये 10 frame दिखा? कियान, आपको ये 10 frame दिखा? फिर आपको ये 10 frame दिखा? कितने 10 frames दिख गए आपको? 2 नहीं है. तो अब 3 10 कितना होता है? How much is 3 10? So this is the, okay, this is how you will be seeing and calculating it. Okay, now let's have more questions here and see if it's a, now try to do this. Try to do this together. I will give you a hint. 3 and 3 makes a 6. Again, we have 3 and 3, which is a 6. 6 and 6 makes a 6 and 6 makes
9. 12. 9.
6 and 6 makes. Who is here? No one is answering. Kavya?
6.
6 and 6 is
12.
12.
12.
Next thing that we need to work is the doubling concept. We will be starting with Neve. Neve, 1 and 1 makes. Neve, 1 and 1 makes. 1.
2.
2 and 2. 2 and 2. 4 and 4.
4 and
4 and 4 makes. So we have to learn it. Make sure that kids, they learn it by heart. 3 and 3 makes?
2.
At least 6. So 1 to 5 आना चाहिए. And अगर 1 से 10 का doubling आता है तो very good. So I want to work Kavya. 6 and 6 makes?
6 and 6 makes 12.
Neve, sorry, Shriyan. 7 and 7? 7 and 7, Shriyan? Kian, 7. Kian, 7.
9, 10, 14.
But yaad रहना, don't count, okay? You should remember 8 and 8, 16 hai. Double of 8 is 16. Double of 9 is 18. And 10 and 10 makes?
20.
Okay. So this is how we will be counting the arrays. If you know this, then you can count the arrays. Now, I'm sure you want to see the questions that I'm talking about. Uske pehle, everybody tell me the answer of this. This is very easy. Which number? Yes. Look at the question. एक बार देख लो. 10 दिख रहा है ना? ऊपर 5, नीचे 5. नीव, आपको समझ में आया? Oh.
Yeah.
Now tell me which number is this? 4 and 4.
12.
कैसे किया कियान आपने इतने जल्दी? Fantastic. This is 12. Try this. Doubling का concept use करना. 6 and 6. 12. 12 and 6.
12 and 6.
Yes, now I will tell you how to add 12 and 6. यहाँ देखो. See, I have to add 12 and 6. How am I adding? 12 and 6. Ones place We have 2 and we have just 6 ones here because 12 ko I can write it as 1 10 and 2 ones. And 6 is just 6 ones. Sorry. Now, 6 ones. So, can you tell me the answer? I'm just going to add the ones together. 6 and 2 is what? 6 and 2 is?
18.
6 and 8. And then we have,
8.
listen, for final answer Kian 18 correct hai, but मेरा question पूछ रहा है. I'm asking you this question. 6 and 2 is what? 8 1. So 110 and 8 ones becomes 18.
18.
Yes. Okay. Now let's have a look at the Olympiad question and then our class is going to get over. Where is books? Can you see books here?
Mama.
Oh. Why I can't see the screen? Sorry. Okay. So parents, now I feel that is the time that you can call for these workbooks. Okay? I will be sharing the link of these Olympiad workbooks so that you start practicing. I'm sharing the questions. Now, have a look at the 9th question. Parents, along with the children, have a look at the 9th question.
Choose the correct subtraction.
Choose the correct subtraction sentence. यहाँ पर array है. मतलब, you know, I will be wasting a lot of my time in counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. कितने flowers दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 flowers दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है? अब the child has to understand that they are arranged sequentially and not randomly. मतलब, you know, as you see, they are so well arranged that after one flower, there is another flower. So they have to understand that if they see 9 ऊपर, तो 9 का 9 double हो गया 18, ठीक है? And then 18 and 9 again they have to add 18 and 9. So we will be working on 2-digit addition also in the next classes. But how have they asked the question? Look at the option. 2 tens, 3 ones, 23. -4. ठीक है ना. यहाँ पर हम ना एलिमिनेशन की भी बातें करते हैं. लाइक इफ दे हैव लर्न्ड सुबिटाइजेशन, पेरेंट्स, विदाउट काउंटिंग दे सी दैट ये यहाँ ऐसे पैटर्न बना हुआ है. सो हाउ मेनी flowers they are cutting out? Which number do you think it is, kids? मैंने जो सर्कल किया है, काव्या, you're right. It is 5. So इस ऑप्शन में can you tell me which is the wrong option? A, B, C, D. यहाँ देखो, पहला वाला में 4 बोल रहा है, -4. Are we removing 4 flowers? No, we are removing 5 flowers. ठीक है? एंड यहाँ पर भी 5 बोल दिया, तो ये दोनों कट हो गए. Okay, and now all that we need to do is find how many total flowers are there. So 18 plus 9. We have to know the addition of 9 plus 8, which is 20. Kavya, very good. So this is how we have to aim for faster calculation. Along with knowing multiplication, along with knowing the concept of subtraction and addition, you have to know how to eliminate so that you can save your time, and also how to calculate it fast. Okay? And along with that, how to read the question ki 2 tens or 7 ones hota kya hai. Okay, can we do question number 7?
How many crayons should be crossed to show 9 crayons uncrossed?
7.
कैसे किया आपने? आंसर में तो 7 है नहीं वैसे. कैसे किया आपने? How many crayons? You're not asking me this question that my child can't even read this properly. तो वो question कैसे solve करेगा after 8 months? I want someone to read this. Who can read this question? Who wants to go ahead? Who wants to read? Who is?
How many
Hmm?
crayons?
Hmm?
6. 6.
Should be. Now see the amount of time they are taking to read. फिर वो उसको comprehend करेंगे और फिर वो solve करेंगे. इसीलिए
How many crayons should be crossed to show 9 uncrossed?
yes. अब समझ में ही नहीं आया ना काव्या? What the question is asking? So interpretation is again a challenge. ठीक है? Kavya is making faces. So we should start working on these questions and we have to read with them so that they pick it up through sight. How many crayons should be crossed? Stop here, which means that you have to cross some crayons to show 9 crayons crossed. Vocabulary nahi develop hui hai. I don't know what is the meaning of uncrossed. Which means that 9 crayons are not crossed. So how many crayons you should cross? Okay. So what I will do, see, 9 crayons should not be crossed. So I am just circling the 9 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now these many I have to cross. Correct? Perfect. अब मेरे समझा देने के बाद तो कितने जल्दी हो गया था. But did you understand what were the steps? First you have to read, then you have to comprehend, then you have to comprehend it correctly. Okay, so this is the difference between Olympiad and normal school maths. Okay, chalo. So I am going to see you all next week and I'll be assigning some homework. So please look at your WhatsApp message.